How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a badass 67 Pontiac Tempest. It had a complete custom build. It was a frame off a few years back, done in midnight blue metallic. Super cool car. So all the grills, the headlight bezels are all new. The chrome around the grill. The bumper's been re-chromed. The car's nice and straight down the sides. It's a real solid, nice car. It's got a lot of upgrades on it. It's pretty chilly out today, so you have to kind of bear with us. The taillights are the originals. You know, they're not in the greatest shape, but they're not bad. The rear bumper was all re-chromed. It's got a black and red pinstripe on it. Just cool car. This thing is just badass. It's got a 428 4-volt block, bored and stroked 461 cubic inch Butler Performance package. Edelbrock aluminum heads, intake. It's got Fitech fuel injection, MSD. It's got a nice front runner kit on it, aluminum radiator with dual fans. It's got power steering, power 4-wheel disc. It's got all tubular A-arms up front, and the rear's got a performance tubular A-arm package also. It's got 12-bolt posi rear, 400 turbo trans. So all the interior is excellent in this car. It's all been redone. Dash bezel's all new. It's got tilt column in it. Headliner looks real good. All the seats have been reupholstered. Front and rear seat belts. These are GTO front seat with the fold down armrest. Pretty rare. Got full 3-inch exhaust. All inside the trunk's nice. They moved the battery to the rear. Just cleaned it up real nice under the hood that way. Got Mickey Thompson drag radials on the rear and the Mickey Thompson SR radials up front. Got retro stereo AM FM with iPod capability. It's a TCI shifter. It's just a super cool car, guys. Got it from a local gentleman that built the car. Got a ton of paperwork and receipts. It's got a vacuum pump for the brakes. Thing fires right off. Nice throaty exhaust out the back of the 3-inch. It's got Flowmaster 50 series mufflers, so it's not real loud. That's a wicked little motor right there. You can check our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. You can follow us on Facebook. You can also visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. Tell you, that's just a tough car right there. Have a great day, folks.